morning, cousins. I had to call out of work today. I do not feel good. Look at me, I look crazy, and I've already brushed my teeth and washed my face, and I still look ridiculous. When I tell y'all my throat hurts so bad. Dropped the kids off at daycare, and my goal today is to get a lot of rest. So, excuse me if I look beat up. But welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're already a cousin. I call y'all cousins because we are family and you will love me. Or what is it? Because I love you and you will love me, or at least eventually you'll love me too. I'm tired, y'all. I'm exhausted. I don't have much. I just got some orange juice too. Should I eat oatmeal? I don't know. I'm currently uploading my first submissions. Excuse me. My first submissions for Vlogmas. It's currently processing. I don't feel good. I feel like I've been sick for a little too long now. At this point, it's been like a month. And I don't typically take medication. That might be the problem. But, yeah. I'm a little warm, but I don't have a fever. I need to figure out what I'm about to eat for breakfast. And then, just rest. I think I'm going to plan out some content. But we shall see. I'm legitimately getting like chills. But alright, y'all. I'm gonna see on a little bit. Let me get my life together. Hi, boo-boo. 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 I'm boo-boo. Hi, boo-boo. You gonna say hi to our friends? No, because you actually are gonna put your fingertips all over the screen. Thank you. Okay. So I'm just here to make my little feature. Okay, bye-bye. So I'm literally here watching the Kardashian episode or whatever, right? And Tristan Thompson says, you know, thank God you've never been a monster to me, blah, 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 blah. And even Chloe's like, I haven't. And they're talking about in reference to him cheating on her regularly. And to me, that's even a big slap in the face because you clearly don't respect me. Because you don't think that I would ever be a monster to you. So you're going to continuously think that it's okay to keep cheating on me. Especially because she's not cheating back. That's the problem. That's the first problem. And so I'm literally looking, and she's like, well, I threw water on your clothes. He's like, you know, but you didn't bleach my clothes, you didn't slash my car tires. She's like, well, if I wasn't pregnant, I would have fucked you up. But because I was pregnant, I didn't do anything. Because I didn't want to mess up my nails. Girl, he don't respect you. He don't respect you, and you allow him to not respect you. And you don't cheat back. Like, no. That would have been the first problem. Like, I got something for your ass. I'm going to gather your ass and get your ass together. So, you lucky that I'm pregnant. That's what she should have said. Because I would have cheated on your ass. But yeah. So, I just wanted to tap in with that. I'm trying to do the thumbnail for the video that I uploaded. It finally uploaded after trying to process all day. So, I'm now trying to do a thumbnail for it and allow that to go live. And then I think I'm going to edit this video. I think I'm going to edit this video and then also make this video go live today. robbery. Ah! Okay. Can y'all believe he's gonna be 1 in 3 months? Thank you, Jesus, for his life. He's a lot of work. He's like, look at him. I'm literally trying to do my thing. I'm trying to create generational wealth here and get my influencing life going. And he's deleting stuff. Stop. Stop. We're into gentle parenting. But it's hard to be a gentle parent when there are non-gentle children. Yeah, I'm literally just holding both of his hands and he doesn't like that. And I'm not even holding them hard. I'm just stronger than him. This baby doesn't like any type of restraint. No, absolutely not. Ariante. Okay. Ariante. It's so funny. I was joking with my fiance and I'm like, imagine I be playing around calling him Ariante and he started telling people his nickname is Tay. Call him Tay Tay or something like that. That is not your name. Your name is Ari. I'll be trying to be funny. Ariante. Because every dude say his name is Tay. Right, boo? Right, boo boo? He's clearly, this is my mama's boy. Like, Nasir is definitely a mama's boy, but Ari loves to climb all over me and he wants to be in my skin. What? I'm not picking you up. Hey y'all, it's MissBeaTV back again with another bum book video. Okay, so I'm going through like a patch of self-doubt right now. Like I had this whole outfit in mind to do a photo shoot. Maybe one day I'll speak on it, but there's just a lot that I've been dealing with, and so because of that, I couldn't do the photo shoot where I was trying to do it at. So now it leaves me with the self-doubt of the second location that I am able to do it at this current time. So I'm trying to do it, and then the baby. You want to say hi, Papa? Come. Come. Say hi. He's a big boy. Say hi. Hey, friends. These are your cousins. Say hey, cousins. But yeah, until then, motherhood, that's a thing. So I deal with that. My best friend had sent me this thing where I can go and get like therapy sessions. Don't touch the camera. As part of a cohort. Sorry. So I signed up for those. So I'm waiting to see when I can get the voucher so I can start, because this self-doubt and anxiety is actually whooping my ass. And I know I have so much potential. I'm like very creative. My ideas are like, when it comes time to execute them, rather than fail, I just give up. And I'm like, I'm not gonna do it. But I need to do this photo shoot. It's like the smallest thing right now, and I just literally, the self-doubt has like came over me, and I'm just saying fuck it. And also I can't find the tights that I wanted to wear with the outfit. Where's my tights? You know what my tights are? Because I want to wear fishnets with the outfit, but I can't find any. And I have a brand new pair of fishnets in this house. So it's getting on my nerves. Trying to find those to get the whole thing together. But yeah, I've been dealing with a lot. And mentally, I'm dealing with a whole lot. There's so much that I want to accomplish in such a short amount of time right now. And all of that together, like, I know I can do it, but all of that together is overwhelming me as well. You're cute. But yeah. I just felt like I should come on here and talk. I haven't spoken to y'all in quite some time. I just been in my head a lot. I'm always in my head, so I just be taking times out to like handle my life. I'm one of those people, like, I don't want pity, so I don't even talk about my problems. I just deal with them. But like, I've been coming to this part of my life where like dealing with things silently are like, it's really bothering me. I'm about to say are like bothering me. It's really bothering me, so yeah. So I'm like really being proactive, trying to find someone, like a therapist or whatever right now. I found her, actually. I found someone that I'm interested in. I found like 5 people. But there's one that I really, it's one lady. I like everything about her. Don't touch my camera. You gonna pay for it? You don't have a job. And you laughing. You don't have a job. No. You don't have a job. You can't pay me the camera. But yeah, so I just want to get a voucher so that I can start therapy. Yes, yes. Our mama needs therapy, baby. He just wants to touch the camera. Say hey, friends. Okay, clearly I need to put the camera away because he's doing too much. Oh, I feel like I always have this shirt on. Do I always have this shirt on? But yeah, I think another thing that's really affecting me is I think I get seasonal depression. I have never been diagnosed. I don't know if you even get diagnosed with stuff like that, but like dark weather, gloomy weather, sad weather, aka anything that's not summer, gets to me. So yeah, I need a vacation, clearly somewhere where there's sun and heat, because this weather is affecting my mood. Like, I did my makeup, did my hair, and then here I am laying in bed. Don't look at the junk on this side, but here I am laying in bed, and I need to be filming a reel or something. Like, I have so much content. I bought a planner and everything to like organize my life, yet this like thing is just too much with all my mental right now, and I don't even know what it is. Okay, well, let me go figure something out. If y'all see a picture y'all do, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamBeaKay. So IamBeaAAKAY. Bye, y'all.